So friends, in this video we'll be transferring money from UAE to Tanzania, international transfer, and we'll be using the application called Taptap Send. You can see Taptap Send application is open now, and the price is 1 AED equals to 648.47. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll just press the amount, type the amount, how much, 500 AED, and the amount transferred will be 324235, 3,24,235. And then what we need to do, we just click on next. So once we click on next, the next page will be selecting the recipient to whom we will be sending the money. Okay, we already have the recipient saved, that is M-Pesa, and we'll just click on that. And once we click on that, it will show verifying details. Again it will show verifying details, and then the next page will come like this. Unfortunately, you can check that we are temporarily unable to send M-Pesa transfer to Tanzania. To send this transfer, choose a different provider. So that means it is a problem from Taptap Send application to M-Pesa transfer, and for now we'll be just selecting any other mode that we'll be having present at our home country Tanzania. Okay, so right now transaction to M-Pesa from UAE to Tanzania is not possible. We will just select some other recipient with some other method to transfer money from UAE to Tanzania. Thank you.